All right, now that we got our doors all mounted on and everything, it's time to put the closures on. So the closures can be intimidating if you've never done them before. There's a lot of pieces in the box for a lot of different applications. So we're gonna simplify it today and explain to you how it goes. So first off, opening your box and you got parts and pieces. I'm just gonna pull everything down if it comes out. There's a huge bag of screws. There is a ton of screws in here, and you will use less than half of them. I like these ones. They're the self-drilling. You're gonna need 6 of them. There are normal pointed ones. You don't want those. They're not for your application. You're gonna need this one little funny guy. There you go, 6 cutters, the one funny looking guy, and the rest of these you will not use. There's also brackets and stuff in here that you will not use. The instructions, like I said, you can do these in many different applications. We are not gonna be using any of that. So, the only thing we need is the 6 cutters, the built-in lock washing head, the actual closure, the arm, the Allen key, and the little plug. Now you'll notice when you look at the closure, this is not centered. It's closer to this end than it is this end. So the big side always faces the door. It's double-sided, so you can use it for left and right. We're gonna be putting it on this side, so we're gonna flip it to where the big side faces the opening area of the door. So with that being said, this would be your first step. I like to put it 3.5 inches in from this inside face. So I'm gonna take my tape, I'm gonna mount it to, hold it right up to there. I'm gonna put a mark at 3.5 inches, okay? That 3.5 inch mark is to the center of your screw hole. So you're gonna hold that up, look in through here to your mark. This should be even on the bottom here. You put that bottom and then you take the self-cutting screws and drill them in. You'll drill those in there. Yeah, these. So we'll start off, I'll just do it real quick. One on each side here. Alright, so that's even right there. Again, the big side faces the opening of the door. We'll just pretend I put all 4 in there for conversation reasons, ease of time. Then we have our arm here. Nut down. This is gonna go in a base, roughly a 45 position. You can put it on in multiple different spots. You want it at about a 45 angle in, and then the special lock nut goes in up underneath. Hand thread it so you make sure you don't cross thread it. Then you can zip it in. Then there's a nut here. This is to adjust. So we're gonna pull this arm out too far. We're gonna put this against the door, slide it. You wanna make sure this is level. Eyeball this level, slightly over the top there. This left screw hole is gonna be in line right here. So you're just gonna make that level like it is there and put 2 more cutters in right through here. I like to put this one in first and then actually open the door a little bit so I can push that one in so I can go in straight. That's basically it. Then you have a cap that just covers over the top, that just pushes in. I'm gonna switch over to this other closure because I already have it on. So once you have everything secured, this closure, see, it adjusts right here. So I take it, the door's closed, it's locked, push it in about a 1/2 inch, then you can tighten this. That's locked in right there. That keeps tension on the door. So I'm gonna open the door, see how it works. See, it's slammed a little bit there on the end. That's where your Allen key comes into play. You have 2 adjustments. Right here, you have a spring speed and a latch speed. Basically, you'll tighten or loosen those to adjust the speed, how fast you want the door to close and how fast you want the door to latch. But in a 60-second-ish video, that's how you install a door closure. Thank you.